Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Lora with Stitching with Lora. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, Merry Christmas Eve. Tomorrow is Christmas, so Merry Christmas. Now, today is Flosstube Day and it is my 260th Flosstube. Today is December 24th, 2024. Wow, say that 3 times fast, right? And I have my Merry Christmas cup for this month, and today we have eggnog because it's Christmas, right? Oh my goodness, yeah, it's been a week. Yeah, past 4 or 5 days, it's just been special. Yeah, trying to get everything ready and together, and yeah, there was a cooking episode and another cooking episode, and yeah, we got that taken care of. But in between all that, I did have time to stitch, so let's take a look and see what we started. We had 3 reviews last week and I only had 3 starts, so we'll just start at the top pile. This is in no particular order. Let me get the thread out of there. This one was from Outdoor Tide, and it's these beautiful reddish pinkish grapes. Aren't they pretty? Oh, just love that. I wish I could remember what the other one is that, you know, that I told you there's another picture. I don't remember. So all we got done were parts of the grapes right there. So, and that's all the further that I got. But I'm going to keep this out and work on it a little bit more, just because it's very nice fabric. It's not too heavy. It's fairly thin. It's like a medium weight. I mean, it's not that thick stuff. So it's very easy to hold in your hands and to stitch on. So I really like it. And it is a partial, so yay! Fun times. Crinkling will be involved. And this one I got from Dream Stitch. Hang on, get to the picture here. It is this gorgeous picture of peonies and waterfalls. Isn't that beautiful? I just love all the bright, vivid colors in that. I'm trying to hold on to the crinkle part. Whoa, we have an issue. So I started on one of the, there we go, the peonies in the lower right hand corner, and that's all the further that I got. I'll put it up closer. You can't almost see it because of that red symbol. Yeah, but very nice, very nice. It's another easy stitch. I'm not going to mess with that, so we're just going to set it over here and just let it be. And last but not least is, I think it's called, I called it Christmas Day. It's another spring kit. Very pretty. Love all the detailing. And it is an 11 count. Yeah. So I've been working, hang on, I got an extra thread on trying. So I've been trying to get, I started with this one color green, and now this thread that's on here now is a mixed color. I think it's 310 black and something else. I can't remember the other number. So it's a mixed thread. So I used 2 strands of 310 black, because who doesn't have 310 black if you run out of it, and then 1 strand of the other. So it kind of made it a little bit darker. So yeah, very nice. I do like this one. I don't know how many of these Christmas ones I'm going to keep out or whatever. You know, we'll just play it by ear. But that one came from Outdoor Tide, I believe. And the grapes came from One Day Savings. Sorry. Some days I can't keep it all straight. So, that is all the starts that I had for this week. Let's go for what else we worked on. See if I can get it out of here. Trying. And this is the other, I call it the other 12 Days of Christmas. I got this last year. Nope, I got it I started it on the 3rd of this year. So I must have got it like right about the end of Christmas. I really wanted it. So I ordered it and it didn't show up until after the 1st of the year. So we just finished the number 1. Still have a little bit more to go on the partridge. But it's kind of confetti, you know, here and there. And then it's got stuff that's consistent. So, I mean, it's not a bad stitch at all. It's nothing like the other one. Hang on. I kind of... Joy Sunday. Yeah. So, really like that one. And we also worked on, I think this is called, they call it Merry Christmas. It's the night before Christmas saying, and then the Santa Claus. So, yeah. And all we worked on, everything was attached. So I had part of the tree done, the star done, and we worked right here on Santa's clothing. And I did start a little bit of the wording, but it's all back stitched except for like the beginning parts of the letters and stuff. You know, like it was, you know, the I, you just fill in with cross stitch, but the rest of it's all back stitching. So yeah, it's kind of interesting. I wouldn't say it was up there on my favorites list, actually, but we get it done. I have thread here. And I'm making a pile over there. We need more eggnog. Let's go with this one since it's out, and then I'll do that one. This is the other one that I got last year. I'm not sure. It was about, I think I got this in September because I really wanted it and it was already out. So, I mean, out in the stores. So I bought it so that I'd have a copy of it. Yeah, it's a piece of work. And so you can see I've got some of the first partridge done, but we worked on this part of that bluebird. So, yeah. It's just a here, there, and every... You know, when you look at it, like take this guy here. You know, he looks simple and like you could just get it right done, but each one of these characters, shall we say, in the little squares are very confetti. And then there's the back stitching, so it's not an easy stitch, or quick stitch, I should say. Moving on. Now this one is from New Craft Day, and I worked on it a little bit. Like I said, just put a few colors in it. Got to figure out which direction it goes. So I'm still trying to fill it. Hold, please. Fill in the the tree section there. But yeah, it is so pretty. So pretty. So we still got a bit to go. We're narrowing it down, actually, to probably 3 or 4 symbols. But some of them, you know, only have 5 beads, and some of it has 20 beads, you know. Yeah. So, it's fun. I really love it. So, that's as good as that got. Yeah. Let me put that away so I know where it goes. Oh, please. And, you know, as if all that wasn't bad enough, I did work on this one. It is 360 centimeters by 74 centimeters. This is my mega stitch, and I've been working on this side right here because this side, it's very hard to see, well, in the area I was stitching, like from here up, it's very hard to see the symbols. So I went over here and I had started working there. So let me get the blanket here. I gotta figure out which way everything goes. Oh, don't do that. Nope. So just filling it in. Oh crap. Sorry, my bad. Okay. There's got to be a better way and easier. Holy cow. And I have thread in my hand. It doesn't help much. Hold, please. So, just been working down that side. The buildings are, and I worked in this area and trying to fix some of that. So, it's coming together. It's coming together. But, yeah, every once in a while I pull things out. And I even started a thread right here, and I had gotten out a thread, and I thought, well, I better go over here and fix so-and-so. So I just started the thread. I know what symbol it is, and I put the excess thread interwoven with the another needle to hold it in place, and that way I know that that thread goes with that color. So, yeah, it is. Oh, heck, I still got the stupid threads in my hand. Yeah. It's a piece of work. Yeah. But every once in a while, we got to bring it out. Yeah. More eggnog. More eggnog. And no, I don't have a damn thing in this eggnog. Just eggnog. It is way too early for that crap. So, yeah. I have no idea how late I will have to work tonight. I have no idea. Just no idea at all. So we'll see. We will see. Just what transpires. I haven't done this in a very long time. Being there on Christmas Eve, so. Yesterday we got through, so moving on. Tomorrow's Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody, before I forget. Other than that, I got nothing. I'm not sure what else I'll be doing the rest of the week after we get past Christmas. Probably not too much. Do we? Yeah, we do. I had to think. We have one more December Christmas thing for Saturday. And then we'll go to January, and January's theme is winter. So I'll have to go dig up all the winter stuff. So we'll see. Alright guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas tomorrow and have a lovely Christmas Eve if you do things on Christmas Eve. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.